In this video, we'll be going over how manager admins can best utilize SkyPort IT's cybersecurity training platform. Think of this as a basic how-to overview of how to use the portal. We'll start by going to the My Company section on the left side navigation area. From there, you can view your company dashboard. You can also view your individual employee scores on the right-hand side under individual ESS ranking. Above the individual scores, you can click on the Download ESS report, which will generate a more detailed report that you can view at any time. As a reminder, it's important to check and update your user list periodically in order to add new employees and delete old ones. You can go to the Employee section in the top navigation bar. From there, you'll see a list of current employees that the system has listed from your company. In order to delete a user, click the check mark box next to their name, then go to the Actions button on the right-hand side of the screen. Click the Delete button to get rid of that specific user. To add a new employee, click on the Add New User button up top. From there, you can assign a group role, fill out the employee's information as needed. You'll want to hit the Send Welcome message, toggle to green, and then click Add User to finish the process. You can see which employees have logged in recently by checking the Last Login section of the dashboard. You can filter by most or least recent by clicking on the text. If you need to reset an employee's password or resend a welcome message, click on the user and hit the Action button. From there, you can select an action for that employee as needed. To make changes to all users, click on the checkmark next to the name section of the dashboard. You can go to Actions and then select as needed. To check whether a user has a bounced email address, look at the Email Bounce section. If there's a red envelope in that area, it means the user has a bounced email address. Please make sure the email associated with that user is correct in both the platform and your internal company systems. If you need to reset this message for a particular user, click on that user, go to the Actions section, and hit Clear Bounce Email. To see which employees have completed which training, click on the Training Reports section in the top navigation bar. Select the training report type. You can also select and filter by the specific report you're looking for. You can view your employee's score and the date completed below. You can also click on Download Annual Training Report as needed. If you want to add your own policies that users can acknowledge, head to the Policy section. From there, select Other Policies. To add a new policy, click on New Other Policy. From there, you can fill out the information relevant to the policy you want to add, and then select an attachment. If you want to check which users associated with your company have had their data breached, click on the dark web area up top. From there, you'll be able to see which account emails have been breached, when they've been breached, and what the confidence score is. As a reminder, you can add your own email addresses into the dark web scan by clicking on My Dashboard, going to the Dark Web tab, and add in any email address that you'd like to check. To check your phishing reports, click on the Phishing tab. From there, you can view your campaigns and see which are completed and which are in progress. You can also view the frequency of the campaign, stop any current campaigns, or delete the ones you no longer want. To add a new phishing campaign, click on the Plus New Phishing Campaign button up top. From there, you can create a new campaign. You can choose the frequency, choose the date, which hours you'd like the campaign to run. You can also choose which recipients you want to receive the campaign, and you can choose the different scenarios listed. Know that there's different countries listed under scenarios, so some are from the UK, some are from the US, some are from Australia, so make sure you're picking the US related ones.